Hey everybody, it's Mindy, and this is part 2 of my Fansells order. And I got some fun stuff here. I mean, if you watched the first one, I will try to link that one below or up in the eye over there. I can do that now. I learned how to do that. I'm good. Anyhow, so let me show you the second part and show you the fun things that I picked out for this part, okay? Alrighty. All right, let's do this first. Why not? Let's do this one. This was interesting. It was a larger piece, special drills, and it's just this pretty like Dreamcatcher. It's all special drills, lots of rhinestones, and I thought it was really pretty. It's got some butterflies, we got the feathers, the border. We actually diamond paint the border. You see that? Yeah, I like it. Well, if my camera would focus, you might be able to see it. There you go. So all these little lines around there. I like it. See the butterfly? It's very pretty. It's an interesting size. 30 by 48, 17 different colors, shapes, sizes, stones, whatever. We got something on it. I don't know what. It's like in the canvas. That's coming off though. I don't know what it is. Okay. What do you think? Looks pretty. Want to see the colors? I want to see the colors. I'm filming this the same day as I did the other one, so it's just kind of gloomy day here. Gloomy. Trying to put a little pep in my step, but you know, when it's so gloomy outside, you're just like, ugh. Anyhow, let's start with white pearls. Love those. There's a bunch of them. Where are the white pearls gonna go? The V. Okay, they're gonna outline. This outline right here, the inner outline is the white pearls. I don't know if that's the only place, but that would be pretty. Red rhinestones, very light pink rhinestones, but very light purple rhinestones. Medium purple. You've got a green, you've got a blue, another blue, and another blue. I love, oh, isn't that pretty? All those blues. We got an orange, a yellow, and that's it for the rhinestones. Now we have red, smooth, pearly, white pearl, some red, big red ones, some teardrops. Oh, we have hearts, and we have this guy. Are we gonna be able to see him? Oh, it's red. Right there. It goes right here. Can you tell? Right there. Yeah. So that'll be fun to do. You know me and my special drills. I love the special drills. All right. Okay. You know, I thought I've had these before, and I didn't. I have the notebooks, but I did not get these yet. So here we go. What is this? Oh, a little card. Operation step. First step, second step. Little directions. That's cute. All right, here's our drills. Here's our toolkit. You go over there. These are pretty cool. I don't know what I could use these for. I'm not certain if they'd hold a lot of weight, but they are hooks. I thought they were pretty cute. They do kind of match my little owl notebooks. Look at this. They're kind of cute. So is this sticky or you got to put sticky on them? I don't know. I'm not quite certain how they work. Is there sticky stuff? Sticky? I don't know. I really don't know how they stick. I'm assuming they stick on the wall or something. And then there's this nice hook. I like the hook. And the owls, of course, are super cute. This whole thing, there we go. There we go. Yeah, the whole thing is sticky. So this whole back peels off and you smack it on wherever you want it to stick, and you got a nice little hook there to hang things. I don't know what the weight capacity would be. I probably wouldn't put anything too heavy on it, but I think they're super cute. You could hang little trinkety things off it, right? They're cute. I love them. And then, of course, if this became non-sticky, you could always use like a command strip or something like that. How did they do that? How did they get that in there? Oh, they went all the way down like this, I think. I don't know. Okay, I'll put them back in there when you guys are gone. And then there's 3 more in here, so you get 6 of them. Watch how they did it, okay? Yeah, all the way down to the, okay, got it. And then there's 3 more little owls there. They're all super cute. Look, he's winking. She's just adorable. Like this, gotta go like this. Okay, that's how they go. And then you put them back in the little package. I got it. Okay. All right, let's look at the drills. Oh, they're shiny ones. Special drills. Sure, if we can open it. I like the little direction paper. It's cute. All right, here we go. Lots of rhinestones. I'm sure we're gonna have just all the colors. I'm just gonna run through them real quick because we got everything. Gold, purples, more purples. Here comes the blues. Blue, 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 pink, 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 pink. All rhinestones. Nothing special, no special drills. All rhinestones. All rhinestones all day. Okay, that's what we got there. Okay, you guys come over here. I have to put you all back in. All right, since we're on a special drill kick, let's keep it going. Keep it coming, love. Okay, there we go. Look at, isn't it cute? Another bunny. I know I got a bunny in the first part, the first half of the unboxing had a bunny. But this is a special drill bunny, and it's cute. It's like a little patchwork bunny. All these colors and stripes and everything. That one's got 14 different shapes. It's just called Rabbit. Rabbit, rabbit. It's got lots of special drills. Look, we got some round ones. We got some marquees. We got, oh, look, we got slivers. I'll just tell you that right now. We got slivers for the feet. Oh, and we have some more up here and here and here. Oh, yay. Oh, you know how I love my slivers. And not, right? No. Anyhow, let's see what we got. At least it's not a ton of them. Not a ton. Okay, here we go. Let's see what we have. Okay, clear. Salmon color, I guess. Green. That's pretty. I don't know if it's a pink or a purple. It's a cross between, I'll call it purple. Let's call it magenta, I guess. Purple. Ooh, look, we get an extra, I don't know, silver piece in there. Beautiful teal. Some green marquee. Some red marquee. Some red. These are faceted. Some little green. Little green. All right. Those aren't the slivers, though. Not the slivers. Not the sliver. Not the sliver. Here's the slivers. So, see, there's not a bunch of them. 2 colors. 2 tones of blue. Not bad. I can handle that, right? Anybody can do that. And here's a couple more blue items. There we go. Round and marquee. Pretty. Pretty, pretty. He's a fancy bunny. Fancy, fancy bunny. I like him. I like him a lot. All these toolkits are just everywhere. Toolkit, toolkit. This was a very springy unboxing. Very springy. Look. See, welcome. And look at the flowers and the butterflies. 22 colors. This is a bowl drill. Cute little gnome welcoming everybody for spring. 22 colors. All letters. All that white. Look at all that white. White. Hey, at least you can multi-place the white. And there is no need for me to open these up because we can see every single color right here. Here's our white background. We got some peach, blue, yellow, lighter peach. That's a gray. That's a gray. Green, blue, a couple browns, some more peachy colors, more blues, taupe, and an orange and another blue. There you go. There's our colors. I mean, look, it is what it is. Blues, some yellow, white, and then our cream colors make up our little Gnome guy. Look, we don't have that many, but we're going to use like 10 of each or something crazy. Anyhow, there it is. Super cute. Super cute. Got one more item. Love this. Love it. Love it. Oh, you guys don't laugh too hard. Okay. Hang on. All right. Here we go. toolkit, drills, etc., etc. Put the bag over there. Put the toolkit over there. Look, I have a hanging apparatus. Give me a claw grip and a chain to hang my little critter from. It's a critter. It's a critter. I want to see it first. I'll show you. Are you ready? You know I love these. You know I absolutely adore these. Now that I know how to make them work. Hello, Chuck. You know, of all the days for it to be rainy and he's hiding somewhere, he's not going to join us for this video? Seriously? It's an ode to Chuck, and where is he? Come on. Okay, come on. Come, work. There you go. Do. Boy, he's a stubborn one. You're stubborn. Well, he is just like Chuck. He's a stubborn rooster. Look, he's going to have a heart upside down. Makes his little waddle. That's cute. Oh, do. I can't help myself. Oh, boy. So you drill both sides. I thought, why is there a hole? Oh, it's just where his feet come together. Do. Oh, goodness. Stop it. All right, so we got some pretty gold, yellow, chicken colors. And red for the waddle. There's an orange, a clear, a green, some black. Then we have some special. He's got a lot of special drills. He's got these cute little champagne teardrops, some red teardrops, some pink teardrops, and the hearts. And we need 2 hearts. So I'll add to my heart collection. Add to my heart. Oh. Yeah, he's so cute. Look at, he looks like dazed and confused, doesn't he? His eyes are like, whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, I'll stop. I'm done. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Yeah, trying to bring a little fun and livelihood to my life today because it's so gloomy. Yesterday was nice. Now we're going to have like 8 days of rain or something. I don't know. So there you have it. Thanks for watching. If you like to see more of the, nonsense I come up with, the comedy show, come back, hit the subscribe button and you can see more of my nonsense. If you don't like it, then, what can I say? All right, I'm gone now. I'm gone. I'll talk to you later. Bye, everybody. Where is Chuck, though? Where's Chuck when you need him? I don't know.